So you're done sketching, now you want to ink. Usually you reach for the new raster layer button, probably. But I want you to hit the new vector layer button instead, just this once, just so I can show you something crazy. Go to the eraser over here and check vector eraser. This thing is so gnarly, watch. Middle option, erase up to intersection. I don't know what these other two do, I never use them, I'm not familiar with them. And now you're just going to want to make lines. You don't even have to care. Watch this, you don't even have to care what the lines look like, watch. And why is that? Because the vector eraser does this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on, I'm drawing with my left hand. This is because I'm drawing with my left hand, I promise. And then you just... yeah, look at that. Would you look at that? It erases the lines up to the intersection. You hardly ain't even got to care at all what they look like. Still be nice if you cared, it's art after all. But here you go, just a quick swap of the wrist, and you can have pretty cleaned up lines, and you don't even have to try hard, but you look like you did, and you can impress your friends that way. And you know, intersecting lines too, that's not a problem. I can make a better line than that. You deserve a better line than that. I know, I agree. Alright, so this line's intersecting all ugly, but you can just swoop that away. And yeah, that's all I needed to show you. I just wish more people knew about this, because it makes line work a lot easier. I know a lot of you hate doing line work. This makes it like 2 billion times easier. One thing I gotta point out about vector layers is you can't just like then go back and color the lines. You can't lock the layer when it's a vector. You can't fill tool the layer when it's a vector. But there is a workaround. Make a new layer right above your line work, your vector line work, and clip it to that layer. And now I'll just get a real visible color because this doesn't matter. And now you can paint on the clipping mask, and it looks like you're coloring your lines, which is very cool, very handy. Another thing you could do is, if your lines look the way you want them to, I'll just say it does here because it doesn't matter. You can right-click your vector layer, find rasterize, and that turns it into a raster layer. And now you can, you know, lock the layer and fill in the lines like this. Just two different ways, because, you know, people work differently. Whatever method works for you better. Alright, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. I'm not really an art tutorial kind of channel, but this is just a trick I wish more people knew. I've seen some of y'all draw. Y'all could use this tip. Alright, well that's it. Go draw me something pretty, you crazy little bastards.